Alright, I'm walking by an elementary school and there is a fire alarm going off. I hear a fire bell ringing. I can hear their advances going off. What's going on in there? Oh, they're testing. Alright, they're testing. See some strobe action in the rooms. Let's get a zoom in on the hallway. Let's get up closer. Pardon the fact that I'm filming this all vertically. Oh, never mind, I can. Oh.
What's up?
Not much, I'm just heard the fire alarms.
Oh, they're working on the alarms.
Yeah. No, man. Your AS is in here. Oh, that's a wheel-lock MT. Let's see. Alright, there's advances on this side. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. Just,
Do what?
so don't mind me and just...
You're good.
That's all I'm doing, just...
You're good.
Alright, we got advances. Here. Right there. There's one down that hallway. Sorry.
Lord of mercy, that's loud.
Sorry, I'm just recording the fire alarms, that's all.
Oh, you're fine.
Yeah, I just like fire alarms, that's all I'm doing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's planned.
I know.